Automotive spray guns are used for painting car surfaces. As you know, every automobile owner prefers to do their paint job by themselves, so they use a spray gun for beginners to give a car a smooth and finished look. There are many products available to choose the best automotive paint gun, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fuji SemiPro 2 Automotive Paint Gun. In first and in our best automotive paint gun slot, we have the Fuji 2203G SemiPro 2. This option is going to be what shoppers looking for the very best of the best are going to want to go with. The benefit of this versatility is, of course, obvious. The included spray gun features a non-bleed component that is optimized for quality of work, while the fan control system is designed to adjust spray patterns for a more refined touch to your work. Last but not least, it is also easy to assemble and disassemble, which means that you shouldn't have any trouble ensuring that it continues to perform the way that you want it to. Essentially, it is a personal use spray system that delivers professional level quality. Number 2. Graco Magnum X7 Car Paint Sprayer. In second, we have the Graco Magnum 262805 X7, a slightly more affordable high-quality alternative for shoppers who were not entirely captivated by the Fuji. Users can alter the pressure levels of the system at will to deliver a much more personalized approach to their work. Last but not least, it features a flush adapter that allows you to hook up your garden hose to clean out the system quickly and easily. The biggest issue that we were able to detect here is that, unfortunately, the Graco seems to struggle a little bit on long days on the job, with the spray patterns growing more inconsistent the longer you go. This won't be a problem for personal use, but it will be a big issue for contractors. This aside, it is a quality choice that will benefit most general users. Number 3. Wagner Motocode Automotive Paint. In fourth, we have the Wagner, another spray system that trends on the more basic side. This is going to be another option that may save you money, though thanks to a few issues we do think that most shoppers will probably be better served by our best for the money pick. The problem is that the Wagner just doesn't deliver the level of quality or ease of use that we have seen in the other options. It is hard to clean, it clogs often, and the spray patterns tend to be a little bit sporadic. If you are looking for an affordable spray system, this unit may be something to consider, though its issues may ultimately make you want to look elsewhere. Number 4. Campbell Hausfeld General Purpose HVLP Spray Gun. The Campbell Hausfeld HVLP Paint Gun. This was the first HVLP gun I ever used, and it is dead simple to use and maintain. Sometimes, that's all you need, and for well under $100, it's a great choice for a lot of people. These are usually available at Walmart too, and if you take the time to dial it in just right, you can get decent results. The gun is easy to disassemble for cleaning, and it isn't hard to adjust the spray fan for beginners. If you're spraying an engine bay, you may struggle to achieve full coverage. Consider your project needs before buying, and don't forget to get a gun cleaning kit and a pressure regulator to go on the gun too, as this is just the gun. Number 5. Eastwood Concours 2 HVLP Paint Gun Kit. Eastwood's Concours 2 HVLP Paint Gun Kit is another great all-inclusive setup with a nice carrying case. As messy as my garage is, I may have a bit of an affinity for tools that come with their own storage system. That aside, the Concours 2 HVLP gun is capable of producing the kind of work you'd be proud to take to a car show. That, and a lot of practice and a lot of sanding in between coats. That's how good automotive paint work happens. On the flip side, for the price, you're only getting one gun, while other manufacturers often offer two. You're getting a nicer gun than the DeVilbiss set, but you'll have to switch tips between coats and materials. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.